What on earth is happening here? Seriously?
Wait, is the sky green?
Welcome to Aqua Nick, the Nickelodeon water park on the Riviera Maya. If you came looking for peace and quiet, you should have turned back a while ago. There's not a single calm minute here. And yes, you can visit even if you're not staying at the hotel. Just buy a ticket and dive straight into the chaos. Because chaos is the whole concept here. The first 5 minutes are pure disorientation. Everyone's soaked, everyone's screaming, and you realize there's no turning back. Today we'll show you how this park works, which slides you can't skip, how to visit without staying at Nickelodeon Resort, and how to make the most out of your day. Aqua Nick spreads across about 6 acres of tropical gardens. Over 500 meters of rivers, waterfalls, and lazy streams where the water seems to have a mind of its own. The park is split into 6 zones each with its own vibe and adrenaline level. The crowd favorites: Twist and Shout, Riptide Racers, and Tube Madness. They all start the same way. The instructor says, "Don't cross your legs, just go." And you drop. 3 seconds of darkness, rushing water, a twist, a flash of light, and you surface again, pretending it was all under control. Families get their share of fun, 2 big multi-person tube slides that feel endless. If you're a parent, know this: your kids will never get tired. You after an hour, them maybe after 3 days. And if you hear a countdown, 3, 2, 1, brace yourself. It's super slime time. Yes, it's real. Here, people actually get drenched in green slime. By the bucket. You can try to hide, but you won't stay dry. Everything taller than 3 years old and shorter than 5 feet lives here. In a world of mini slides, waterfalls, and buckets tipping from above. No one says quiet. Everyone says again. PAW Patrol Adventure Bay is the kingdom of toddlers. Water cannons, little slides, sprays, fountains. They can run, yell, and splash with no lines, no rules. Right next to it, Bikini Bottom Beach, the SpongeBob-themed zone. Details everywhere: fountains, towers, spray tunnels, water pouring constantly from somewhere above. You look around and think, yeah, Nickelodeon really does know how to design chaos. If you want the best view and a proper shot of adrenaline, climb the Soak Summit Tower. It's 60 feet high with 10 different slides, each with its own story: twists, turns, free falls. Among them, Tidal Twister and Epic Plunge, where you stand on a trapdoor and suddenly the floor disappears. You can see the tower from almost anywhere in the park. And no matter where you are, it keeps whispering. Come on, one more time. When your energy runs out, it's time for the sacred ritual: food. Burgers, tacos, fries, smoothies, everything bright, crunchy, and possibly the wrong color, it's all here. Meals are served at Aqua Bite stations. Fast food, snacks, ice cream, lemonade, cocktails. There's even a bar with Mexican drinks. Because sometimes adults need something stronger to survive 3 straight hours of kids' laughter. And if you want to hide from all that happiness, head to the VIP zone. Shade, towels, and a waiter with a cocktail. It's the place where adults pretend to relax mindfully until the next wave of slime hits. When you feel like you've had enough, you go for the lazy river. The name is a joke. You settle into a tube, start drifting, hear distant laughter, and then splash. A jet of water right to the back of your head. Someone on the bridge just found the water cannon. Flank attacks, laughter, chaos again. But if you're lucky, you'll find a calm stretch, patches of sunlight on the water, rustling leaves, and that rare moment when you just float, thinking about absolutely nothing. There are over 20 slides here. Tubular Twist, Gnarly Halfpipe, Swirl and Whirl, Bowl Blaster, Rad Racers, Riptide Rush, and more. Each one has its own rhythm, sound, and mini-drama. There's an activity pool with gentle waves, floating obstacles, and water games. Kids feel safe. Parents get a workout. A day pass ticket includes towels, lounge chairs, and full access to every attraction. During rain or thunderstorms, slides pause for safety totally normal. In high season, lines can get long book ahead. The park isn't huge, but it's smartly designed. Spacious lockers, friendly staff, smooth logistics. Arrive early, start your day with the big slides while the sun's soft and the queues are short. Game plan. Begin with the Soak Summit Tower. Then hit Twist and Shout and Riptide Racers. By noon, head to Bikini Bottom for slime time. After that lazy river, snack break, another round of favorites. And by sunset, just float, watching the light ripple across the water and the sound of kids echo in the air. Aqua Nick is what happens when SpongeBob, PAW Patrol, and 1,000 happy strangers all crash into your weekend. It's not the biggest park in the world, but the detail, the order, and that wild childhood energy make it unforgettable. You don't need to stay at the hotel. A day pass is enough to live a full-blown adventure. Because sometimes, to feel alive, you don't need a spa. You need to dive straight into the loudest mix of laughter, splashes, and green slime you can find. Ready for slime, slides, and laughter? Subscribe to Open Mexico so you don't miss the places where Mexico sounds louder than the ads.